If you're getting the message that says this version of IDM does not support this type of downloading, don't stress. First, make sure IDM is up to date. A lot of times, this error happens just because you're running an older version. Open IDM, go to the Help menu, and click on Check for Updates. If there's an update available, install it. After that, restart your browser or even your computer. A lot of newer sites and video platforms only work properly with the latest version, so updating often fixes everything right away. Next, check if Advanced Browser Integration is turned on. This is what allows IDM to hook into your browser more deeply and grab more types of downloads. Open IDM, go to Options, then the General tab. Make sure Use Advanced Browser Integration is checked, and also make sure your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another, is selected in the list below. Once that's done, restart your browser. If IDM still isn't picking up the download, try adding the link manually. Right-click on the download button or video you want, select Copy Link Address or something similar. Then go back into IDM, click Add URL, paste the link, hit OK, and the download should start. Another thing to consider is your browser extensions. Sometimes other download managers or video-related extensions can conflict with IDM. Temporarily disabling them might solve the problem. Also, clearing your browser cache or reinstalling IDM can help fix any corrupted settings that might prevent downloads. If none of this works, it could be a site using DRM, encryption, or a file format. IDM doesn't support yet. In that case, you might need to try a different tool. Check IDM forums for solutions, or wait for a future update. Staying patient and following these steps usually resolves the issue.